Pearlvine Mint, Digital Revolution, a new way to change the world. What is Pearlvine? Pearlvine International is a group of high and open-minded people in the world who dream and dare to live happily with peace and brotherhood and see their future as bright as sun. Neither there is an owner of this group nor it has any branch anywhere in the world. Pearlvine Mint is a software. It works by a special type of software that is the world's finest, fast and unique creation. It is designed in such a way that it will remain as long as the internet remains in the world. This software will continue to work. The data contained in it is completely secure and hidden. There is no such external element that can have access to any type of control over it. The data of its registered users cannot be viewed in any way. Only the user is able to access his data at own. A lot of work has been done to protect Pearlvine.com. Its servers have been given a multi-layered security for its complete safety. What is Pearlvine Mint? Pearlvine Mint is a peer-to-peer internet currency that enables instant and easy cost payments to anyone in the world. Why join in Pearlvine International? Pearlvine system gives you an opportunity to make your future bright and gives you financial independence. How to join in Pearlvine International? To join in Pearlvine International system, all you need is a sponsor or a referral. The registration process is the same in the desktop and mobile application. When you click on a referral link in the description below, you will be redirected to the registration page. Now, fill the registration form. Enter your name. Enter your email ID. Select your country from the list. Enter your mobile number. Choose your password and confirm your password. Now, here no need to fill the referral code. It's already taken our code as referral. If referral code is not there, enter referral 100-272-337-078. Guys, remember, once you register using someone's referral code, it's done. You cannot roll back anything. So choose the referral code who have a good team. We are having a good team and you will get support in future. Join in WhatsApp group. We clear all your doubts there. Tick the checkbox, I agree to terms and conditions, and click continue or register button. After registration, every user will get an SMS account number to registered mobile number. Now log in. Enter account number and password. Click on the login button. Now you need to verify your mobile number. Click on verify now button. Next, you will get OTP to your registered mobile number. Enter OTP and click verify now button. Now it is successful and you are in the dashboard. Now start earning. What are the benefits? In Pearlvine system or Pearlvine Mint, the brand promoters and users are the most important part of our business. And Pearlvine provides rewards to its users by a specially generated compensation plan. There are many ways to earn income with Pearlvine system, such as Mint Growth Income, Mint Purchase Revenue, Mint Sell Revenue, Fast Track Income, Auto Pool Income, Team Performance Wallet. Now I will explain Pearlvine business plan. To understand in detail, watch the table where I will explain rankings, fast track and team performance income and auto pool income. After checking this table, everybody thinks it's multi-level marketing. No, never. You can see here on the table, there are two types of plans that are working and non-working. Now, I will explain how this software can pay lakhs of amount for just $30 in Indian currency company decided as 2,250 rupees. First, let's see how we get fast track income. When get registered, everyone will get a badge, user. Next, you have to upgrade your rank with $30. Then you will become a Pearl member. In the fast track, to get an excellent income, you have to upgrade yourself to Coral, Onyx, Quartz, Amethyst, and Topaz. For me, it's like a game. This design is a software not managing by any human. To earn a fast track amount, you need to refer to others. If anyone joined with your account number as a referral, then that user will be in your downline. Like this, you have to refer 4 members to upgrade yourself as a Coral member. For one referral, you get $15, approximately 1050 rupees. So on 4 referrals, you get $60. That is 4200 rupees. To upgrade as a Coral member, you have to pay $40 and refer 4 members. Your 4 referral members will refer again 4 members each. Then in level 2, you get 16 members. When that 16 members upgrade to Coral, you get $20 on each member in level 2. So here you get $320 on 16 members. In the same way, you can upgrade to Onyx by paying $100. Here, no need to wait for 16 members in level 2. You need 2 more direct referrals to upgrade to Onyx. If you're still as a Pearl member and didn't upgrade yourself to the next level, so you get the only Pearl members' income. You don't get Coral, Onyx, Quartz, Amethyst, and Topaz. Once you see this picture, here you joined and you referred 4 members. You upgraded as a Coral member by paying $40. And again they referred 4 members each, total of 16 members in level 2. Here, when these 16 members upgraded as Pearl members, these level 1 people will get income $60 each. But you don't get income on this. Here, these 16 members in level 2, again they referred 4 members each and upgrade to Coral by paying $40. From that time, you will get $20 on each, a total of $320. Like this, you will get $50 on each level 3 member when they upgrade to Onyx, $500 on each member in Quartz, $2,500 on each member in Amethyst, $5,000 on each member in Topaz. In Indian currency, we will get total amount of 96 lakhs in Quartz, 19 crores in Amethyst, and 153 crores in Topaz level. Here you need to remember one thing. You must upgrade yourself to enjoy these benefits before downlink members upgrade to the next level. For example, if the 3rd level member upgraded to Onyx, but you still as a Coral member, in this case, you lose $50 because you must upgrade before they upgrade to Onyx. So you will get income only on members who upgraded after you. If you go with a proper working plan, you will get more than $23 million. Now coming to team performance. If a new member has joined and upgraded to Pearl in your team, the software doesn't check the member referred by you or not. Simply you will get $1.25 on every Pearl upgrade. Team performance income will be shared up to 8 levels up. Now coming to auto pool income or non-working plan. Here you can see the company will pay auto pool income in 8 rounds in each rank. If you are a Pearl member, then you will get this auto pool income only. Like $0.4 in the first round and $16 in the second round and $64 in the third round and so on. But if you are an Onyx member, then you will get Pearl, Coral and Onyx auto pool income. That is $0.4 from Pearl, $8 from Coral and $20 from Onyx in the first round and $16,32,080 in the second round and so on. Here the condition is You must be Coral or above rank to withdraw Autopool income. Here you can see Pearl total Autopool income is $43,856. Does everyone will get this amount? Yes, absolutely. But there is no timeline. Some people are manipulating new users for a referral bonus. They are saying for every 3 months we get this Autopool income. But information from senior members, it's not correct. I have checked some users' Autopool balance. Most of the people are getting Autopool income 3 to 5 months gap. The final question is, we are just paying $30, then how they can pay lakhs and crores of an amount as Autopool income? Now let's see. Every user will pay $30 and upgrade to Pearl. Here in that $30, $15 will be credited to the person who referred to this user. In the remaining $15, $5.1 add to the Pearl Autopool so that this amount will credit as Autopool income to all users on a first come first serve basis. And remaining $10 will add to the team performance wallet. From this team performance wallet, everyone getting $1.25 as a team performance bonus up to 8 levels up. Here, the extra $0.1 is system extracting from the price of mint. I am clarifying that I don't have any relation with Pearlvine International, and I made this video with information gathered from the Pearlvine website and people who are already earning. As of now, it seems good and may change our wealth. So people can try who can waste $30 for 1 hour movie. Are you ready to join? Use our referral IDs and get support in WhatsApp. To join in this forever business, see the description for referral IDs and join the Pearlvine WhatsApp group to clear your doubts.